One day of saving. Day 2 of saving. Day 3 of saving. Day 4 of saving. Day 5 of saving. Oh my god. So many coins. You see that? Okay. I'm not saving in another life. Goodbye. Goodbye.